Good morning everyone, welcome to a brand new vlog. My name is Wanner and today I'll be traveling to the most restricted country in the world. So let's go ahead and fly to Moscow. How are you, Alexander?
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Okay, so right now we're in Moscow. We're on our way to the Four Seasons, one of my favorite hotels worldwide, pretty much. And a lot of people might wonder, why the hell would you go to Moscow, the most restricted place on earth? To keep it very simple, I actually started growing my YouTube automation business when hiring Russian people, because they're very smart, they're very intelligent, and they're really, really hardworking. So because of that, I was like, hey, listen, you know what? This one girl wanted to sell me her Instagram page, the rights to her videos. And the only condition for me to be allowed to buy her videos is that I would explain to her how I was making money with the backend system of YouTube. I said, you know what? Okay, deal. I'll explain it to you as long as I can buy your page, because I know I was going to make a lot of money from it. And that's what we did. I hopped on a call with her and she left me one message which I will never forget. And she's like, if you ever need someone hardworking and someone you can trust, I would love to work for you. 2 months went by. Eventually, I was like, you know what? I had one person that was making videos for me just so I could play video games, and she was not doing a good job. So I was like, you know what? I fired her. After that, I hired the Russian girl, Regina, and since then we started growing and growing and growing. We had one really big YouTube channel called Oddly Satisfying Videos, where we were compiling satisfying videos which we bought, but also created. Lisa, who's actually known for my Bali vlogs, was actually the creative director of our company. She was shooting all the content, and that channel has made over 1.2 million US dollars. And still we're getting licensing deals from it, and still we're making money on that content, even that has now been 5 years ago. So I started working with all these Russian people way before the war started, and I don't think it's fair that the whole world sees Russians as bad people, because they're not. They're hardworking, friendly people. You don't think this taxi person killed people, at least I hope I come alive at the hotel, but he's a normal person. Same as this camera guy, he's not going to stick a knife into me, so that will be fine. So they're not war criminals, they're just people trying to live their everyday lives with all the restrictions that I'm putting on. We're also going to go ahead and interview a few people, ask them questions, what they think about the restrictions, because it has been the most restricted country ever, way worse than Iran has been, which is very interesting from an American point of view. So I'm very curious what we're all going to do. At least tonight we're going to my #1 restaurant in the entire world, together with 2 people that I know from social media as well. So I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, that's the reason I hired Russian people, hardworking, dedicated, and we used to have an office in Kazan for actually 2 years, almost 3 years. So that was really fun, and I'll show you a video of how the office looked like the little counter thing we did in order to restore our monetization in the past. It's a fun video, and I'll see you guys at Four Seasons. Welcome to Moscow, baby. We're here pretty much on the square. We're at the Four Seasons, and then over here, everything here just looks so fucking beautiful. I like it a lot, and looking forward to my stay. And tonight we're going to my favorite restaurant in the entire world, the White Rabbit. Looking forward to it, meeting up with some friends as well, so let's go and check out the hotel room. Busy. Welcome inside. Welcome to Four Seasons. So this is my room for the next few days. Lovely stay here in Moscow. And what I always like when you go to a little bit more to fancy places, it's something very small, but it's just a handwritten note with your name, thanking you for staying and hoping you have a good time. Something I really like. But I do have to say, the bathtub is absolutely insane. Like, it's just like you're levitating. That's the craziest part, because there's a whole block underneath it. That's crazy. I'm really excited to go into this one tonight. Just relax a little bit. And we got the shower here, toilet here. Nothing else really special, but yeah, definitely going to enjoy the next few days here in Moscow, and yeah, we'll be back later.
Москва не резиновая, но Россию дая. Она не лопнет, становясь толще день ото дня. Им когда тесную шкуру сбросит, как змея. Займет одну шестую суши планеты Земля. Москва не резиновая.
Okay, so right now we're at McDonald's. I normally don't eat junk food, but I'm going to make this one exception. And if I said correctly, we're having nuggets. Nuggets.
Наггетсы.
Nuggetsy. Nuggetsy. And how do I say like 9?
9.
Say again?
9
9. So 9 nuggetsy.
наггетсов.
Nuggetsо. So 9 nuggetsо. So we're gonna try some fun stuff and let's see. So we managed to get it. Now time to eat. Okay, so when I was watching videos on YouTube, I remember the old stuff and now they actually changed the logo here. So that's one part. And somehow I'm fucking making money in Russia because we ordered 18 nuggets and we got 24 because the other ones are 9. And then we also got fries for free. Didn't pay for this. We got a drink for free. Didn't pay for that. And funny thing is, actually, since I lost all the weight in my body vlogs, I actually don't drink Coke anymore. Like, not at all. I haven't had it once since. So that will be all yours. I don't need that. But let's try the nuggets. And let's judge. Because if there's one thing I really like, it's nuggets. I used to be addicted to this when I was like 18, 19. Always I got nuggets with a chocolate cookie and a chocolate milkshake. Even though I'm lactose intolerant. But let's try. Yeah, they're really good. Amazing. Oh, I was so hungry as well. That sound. And then when you scroll down even further, the document doesn't work. Fuck. I have to do it again. Oh, that's so interesting. 'Cause every time on YouTube I open it, those fucking documents are not working. That sucks. Okay, so since we have to drive 85 minutes, what I'm doing right now is I'm actually going to one of my YouTube channels and I'm going to go ahead and post a short. And you might think, Wanner, there's nothing special about posting a short. No, you're right, and it's also definitely not making money. For me, it's more nostalgia. So now I will post this one, and then in 2 weeks I will post the next one. And then I will also show you in a couple of minutes of how I actually select the right thumbnail in order to get views. So as you can see here, we get like 10,000 views a day. And on shorts, this is nothing special. The reason that I'm doing this is hopefully it blows up. And I will probably do 70, maybe 100 videos before I judge it. People think short success is overnight. And I think right now you need around 70 to 100 videos to really start hitting the algorithm. And then here we got like a set animation. So it's a really nice, sad Minecraft animation, and yeah, I used to upload different kind of Minecraft animations back in the day, more sexualized. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just 2 doors in a brick building. It's nothing else. So that would be a really boring thumbnail. So this would definitely be one option, like sad Minecraft animation, even with his eyes closed. What do you think is better, Alexander?
Crying.
Crying.
100%.
Perfect. Then we'll do crying. Once again, like I say to people as well, is ask other people for feedback as well. So now I'm actually going to ask Alexander again, which of these 5 titles do you like the most? I think the final moments is pretty powerful. Oh, very good.
I think first one is the shortest.
Yes.
The best.
So grandpa final moments, and then we do micro animation, set micro animation. And that's how you have a productive afternoon in a car going to your hotel. And then we upload it, and that's it.
Нам не страшно вдвоем. Я нажала что-то и исчезла все. Друзья и соседи.
The funny thing is, people won't believe this is actually a mall. Look how beautiful it looks like. It looks like you're in the middle of Italy with all the architecture still existing. It's one of my favorite places in Moscow.
Нефти запасы, подмосковные свалки и даже русский рэп. Впрочем, этого не жалко. И все, кому же хватит, и все, кому этого мало. Смотри, Илон Маск, я тут что-то нажала.
Okay, so right now we're in the White Rabbit, and honestly, I'm really looking forward to the food. I've been hyping myself up, and you won't believe the price difference between Russia and the Netherlands, and it's absolutely insane. As an example, the steak here we pay about 30 US. Same price in Netherlands is 150 US. We're getting a whole tomahawk, 1.3 kilos of meat. Well, I can tell you one thing, I'll be destroying that meal, because what I've learned from my journey of losing 15 kilos and meanwhile, like when the journey ended I was 73, now I'm 71, lost even more weight, trying to keep everything up, trying to like take my supplements every day, make sure I'm always energized, always happy, and overall really looking forward to it. So what I've learned is that when I fly, a lot of the foods you get is processed. So whenever I fly economy, I will actually not take any of the food. I will just take a black coffee and just do intermediate fasting. Even if it's like 17 hours, I'm completely fine with it because I can work, I can focus. The moment I stop eating, my focus increases a lot. That's why sometimes I like to skip the morning, like no breakfast, so I can like work till like 2 p.m. and then I eat, and then after that I go gym. I have the most amount of energy, already got all my work done, I have no stress, and I already got my victories for today. If you like these videos, by the way, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll come back when the food is here just to show you how good it's going to be, because it's absolutely mind-blowing. And one more thing, I also started launching my newsletter, so go ahead and subscribe to that. It's in the link in the description. I'm releasing like behind-the-scenes footage of how I'm running a 6-figure YouTube automation business, where I'm making over 100,000 US in profit every single month. So that being said, let's go ahead and enjoy some dinner. Okay, so here we have meal number 1. So this is like a little spinach salad, and they used to serve this with strawberry, and now they got something else, which I actually don't even know the name of the fruit. But honestly, it looks amazing. And we also got some freebies. We got some bread. I have no idea what this is. They explained it, but I don't understand Russian, so little problem. I'm really excited to try it, so let's enjoy some dinner. Okay, so right now we got our steak, 1.3 kilos, pure meat, and then all for 30 bucks. And honestly, I already had a bite because I literally forgot to record because we're just too hungry right now. But it's amazing, so let's have a bite. That's so good.